Hello, it's Monday the 19th of February 2024 and it's Andrew Pancholi here from the Market Timing Report. There's some very critical cycles coming up on Bitcoin and I want to share them with you. You can decide whether this massive move is going to continue up or whether we're on the verge of a pullback. So let's take a look and see what's going on. First of all, here is our weekly chart of Bitcoin, and under this Bitcoin chart are a series of histograms. They're not hot volume, but they're histograms. And where these peak, we tend to see changes in trend. So if you look along here, you can see major highs, major lows, and that we use a series of these charts. This is just of these charts. This is just the main chart. So you can see again a big spike here, highlighted this important low, a spike here, this high and pullback. And we are coming up to a very important spike right now. So we need to be ready and prepared for what might lie ahead. And that's the whole point. These spikes prepare us for what lies ahead in which market so we can protect our positions accordingly. There is actually another one coming up, and there are other ones that are coming up in the future thereafter. Let's now move on to the technical side of the market. So looking at the bigger picture on Bitcoin and using some technical analysis, most people will use a lot of Fibonacci retracements, and actually they work pretty well for the most part. We can see there was a cluster here at the 50% retracement from this move down, and the 61.8% retracement brought a clear high in. From there we pull back and we've gone through that. So what do Fibonacci people now say? Well, it's probably got to get to 52,700. Sorry, let me say that again, $57,218, which is a 78.8% retracement. But as I've already shown you, we have important cycles coming into place. So we need to be more careful and be prepared for a potential pullback if we're long, i.e. protect those positions. Well, let me just introduce this to you. I'm going to take the Fibonacci retracements off, and here we're going to see an Andrews pitchfork from this major high here, here and here. And I'm just going to scrunch that down so you can see this top. Now, this line is a very important line, and when this line is hit, we typically tend to see some pullbacks. So that's the first reason that we need to be on alert. But we can add some more information onto this, and what we do is if we put the internal lines in at 50% each side, we can see that actually this here created quite a bit of support. So we know this is an important line, and also we know this is an important area here. Not only that, when it pulled back from that 61.8% level that you saw, it came all the way down to this level. So these are very important lines in geometry, and we've hit that point there. So we can take this a stage further and project these lines backwards. And again, if we look at this line, it picked this high in here exactly, and these lines up here have created major support as well. So really, it's pretty straightforward. Where we are is that we have a time cycle coming in and we have a major price target. We could well see a pullback. Okay, in the big picture though, at some point Bitcoin will probably get up here above 80,000 bucks. So that's this quick report. If you like this video, subscribe to it. You can find out more at markettimingreport.com as well. Thank you very much.